Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back. I'm your crypto driver, EdoxDC, and today I've got a hot topic for you.
This is presented to you by Education 4708. Just proceed to view the full content.
Disclaimer. The content on this channel is meant only to provide helpful insights, tips, and information on certain subject or topic. While we strive to provide accurate and up-to-date knowledge, this is not a substitute for professional advice. Always consult a qualified expert or professional for your specific needs. We encourage you to use this content as a guide for learning and additional information. If you think this does not fit what you want, please skip the video.
If your seed phrase is Pride Pole obtained together second when future mask review nature potato bulb, then stay tuned. I've got the ultimate guide for you. First, let me break down the problem. Imagine this. You've got TRC20 USDT in a wallet, and the only access you have is your 12-word seed phrase. The big question is, how can you recover your funds and convert them into usable assets like fiat or other cryptocurrencies? Don't worry, I'll make it simple. So what does a seed phrase do? Think of it as the master key to your wallet. It's used to recover your funds on any compatible wallet platform. For TRC20 USDT, you'll need a Tron-compatible wallet like TronLink, Trust Wallet, or SafePal. These wallets allow you to import your seed phrase and access your funds securely. And remember, never share your seed phrase with anyone and store it offline for safety. Now, let's get into the step-by-step process. 1. Download a trusted Tron-compatible wallet like TronLink, Trust Wallet, or SafePal. 1. Open the app and select Import Wallet. 1. Enter your seed phrase, Pride Pole obtained together second when future mask review nature potato bulb. Make sure to double-check the spelling and order of the words. 1. Once imported, your wallet will display your TRC20 USDT balance. 1. Transfer your USDT to an exchange like Binance or KuCoin, where you can sell or withdraw it as fiat currency. 1. Platforms like Binance P2P let you sell your USDT directly to other users for cash. 1. Use a decentralized exchange on the Tron network, like SunSwap, to swap USDT for TRX or other tokens. You can then transfer those tokens to a different network or platform. 1. Log into Binance and go to your USDT deposit page. Select the TRC20 network and copy the deposit address. 1. Open your Tron-compatible wallet, select USDT, and paste the Binance deposit address. 1. Confirm the transaction, making sure to leave a small amount of TRX in your wallet to cover transaction fees. 1. Wait for the funds to appear in Binance. It's typically very fast on the TRC20 network. Before you monetize your USDT, here are a few critical precautions. Store it in a safe place offline. Losing it means losing access to your funds. Make sure the deposit address matches the TRC20 network to avoid losing funds. Only trade with verified users and check their ratings to avoid scams. And remember, always keep some TRX in your wallet for transaction fees. It's essential for any transfer on the Tron network. And that's how you can monetize your TRC20 USDT using only your seed phrase. If this guide helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for daily crypto problem-solving content. Got more questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll cover them in future episodes. See you tomorrow on the Daily Crypto Solutions. Stay secure and stay informed. Till next episode. Good day, everyone.
Thanks for watching.